Tomorrow I'm on holidays. My bag is packed and I can't wait.
Fantastic. Where are you off?
Just up the coast to the beach, Rainbow Beach.
Ah,
So,
Rainbow Beach.
yeah,
I
yeah.
haven't been there. Actually, is that near Tin Can Bay?
It is near, where is it near? About 4 hours, I reckon. 4 hours from us.
Ah, that nowhere near
Mm,
Tin Can
Port.
Bay. I'm off to Tin Can
Mm.
Bay later in
Oh,
the
okay.
year. And look, I see you've got that wonderful background. I wish I was technically able to put that background behind me. I'll try while having a chat. I guess we
Okay.
better talk about trading, and I guess the week ahead is challenging for some people because it's the last week prior to Christmas. I what's your attitude towards that going in, and have you got any thoughts coming out of the Christmas break into 2024?
Well, I won't be trading for the next few weeks. I did not trade for probably about a month last year. And when I came back and looked at the charts, I thought that was actually a good idea. It was, yeah, there were not many opportunities, or it was just not great setup. So for me and the way that I was trading last year, it certainly was a good time to have a break. And I'm planning to do the same this year. My break is a little bit shorter, 3 weeks this time. So I will be back beginning of January, and I'll just see what the market looks like then. I think the main thing is just to be patient and wait for good setups. That's probably
That
my
pretty much. So
tip.
nothing's changed really at the end of the day, has it?
Yep, yeah, I guess so. That's basically the BAU of business as usual of trading.
So you're not even going to give us a little hint as to what you might be looking at in 2024?
I can show you some charts. I've got a couple of things that I'm
Ah, I knew there'd be something
um,
lurking in there.
yeah, let's have a look. So my
Fantastic.
chart, let's see. All right. So what I am looking at, let me just get rid of this. All right, so I can see the screen. So I would be looking at a GBP AUD, looking for short opportunities, if any present. So on my monthly chart, where's my annotating tool? Just bring that up. I am looking at, you know, this sort of range that has been in place for quite some time. And we had a bit of a break above that, and now back underneath here. So what I would be looking at for next year is for price to continue down this way. Let's see. So now if we have a look on the weekly, yeah, just at the moment we're in a range, right? So you can see that price is just going sort of flat, nothing exciting. So I would be looking for some kind of, either further downside with a retest, looking for short opportunities, or potentially depends what it looks like on the daily chart, just trading short off the top there. Looking at the daily chart, this is what I have on the daily chart. So we we had that uptrend, which now is basically flat. It could actually just be arranged there, like so, and price could just be following in there for a little while. Otherwise, if it continues going in that sort of triangle pattern, then I'm just looking for the downside there with the retest and looking for short opportunities there. So that is one. The other one that I would like to talk about is GBP New Zealand, which is correlated. Um, Also looking for short opportunities. So on the monthly, again, we've been in this sort of range for quite some time. Attempted to go above, but still underneath at the moment. On the weekly, we had price come back into that previous range. It is not quite below that previous high there. So still looking for price to go lower and then come back for the retest and look for short opportunities after that in this sort of a channel if it continues that way, right? So we're waiting for those setups, waiting for the price to see if that eventuates. And if not, no problem, we're not in it, doesn't matter. So again, here looking for short opportunities of just this area here, like so, there. So if we have any price in this area, reverse potentially going short, or just waiting for that break below these previous lows and retest looking for short. So that is that one. And the last one I have, which is my favorite pair, USD CAD. And USD CAD, I'm also looking for short opportunities here. So again, here we've been in that range. I always just look for short opportunities from the tops there, all over the last couple of weeks as well. So looking for short, back in the range, happy with that. So looking at price just to continue in that sort of downward momentum. We do have these lows. So if there is price action that goes up, just being mindful of those areas, partial profits or moving stop losses down. And if we do have a breakout underneath, then looking to continue basically going short to these previous lows there to the bottom of the channel. So on the daily chart, this is what I have there. So we had that little bit going up. Now we're in back in the channel going down. So we have high, low, lower high, lower low, lower high, and we are back to lower low. So we need some kind of pullback and looking for a reversals, false break of that area, retest, and looking for short, something like that would be interesting. That is the top three for me that I'm looking at. Hope that is helpful.
Brilliant. I think it's probably a Christmas present or two in there for somebody. I hope your pullback on that dollar CAD doesn't go as far as you just mentioned, because my stop loss or my trading stop loss is just a little bit below that.
Oh, okay. All right. Maybe not such a big pullback then.
If you could just bring that down a little bit, that'd be great. Thanks, Ray.
One